Question number 10. Jackie is asking, how often should you send an email to your email list? If you are sending out conversational tips and tricks emails, where at the bottom of the email you have a small call to action to purchase from you, you can send it as often as every day. You can have a conversation with your clients every day. If you can pull it off, create that much content and schedule that many emails, do it every day. The sales sequences with hard selling, they work great once per month. You would not want to repeat them more than once per month. And a sequence goes over a period of 7 to 10 days, consists out of several emails. It starts with one introduction email, followed up by 3 educational emails, 1 email with your offer, 2 emails with testimonials, 2 emails answering questions, and several reminders. So this is why it is called a sequence. Such a sequence goes once per month. And pay attention, if you want to send out a sequence once per month, you will need to create this sequence once per month. It is, again, planning is involved, work is involved. But this is the maximum amount of time I would send out a sales sequence.